Hello everyone, it's Jen. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. And we currently have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, so be sure that you are entered into that. I will link that video in the description box below. Alright, so we have an unboxing for you today, but it is different than what I normally do. I don't know if this is going to be a regular thing with Morphe or if it was something that they just did for Black Friday or, you know, the holidays. I don't know. But I got sick and I didn't have anything to do, so of course I went shopping. And when I was on Morphe's website, I discovered that they had mystery boxes. I did not know that they had them. I don't know if it's a regular thing, and I just have never seen them before. I don't know, but mystery boxes. So this one, they had two of them. They had a $50 one, and they had a, I believe it was a $35 one. Of course, I got the $50 one because it's me, and we all know if I have a choice between the $35 box and the $50 box, most likely I'm going to get the $50 box. So that is what I did. So this is the surprise box. It is a 9-piece face and eye collection. I do not know what is in here. I have not opened it yet. I just cut the tape off of it. So we are going to find out together. I have not watched any unboxings or anything of this, so I don't know how many other people, you know, have gotten this. I don't know. But when I checked a few days ago, they did still have them on their website. So I believe they had the $50 one still available. The $35 one, I think, was sold out, if I remember correctly. So let's see what we have in here, because I love Morphe. Again, I paid $50 for this. I do not know what is inside. I don't know what the value is like. I have no idea. So my dogs are playing right underneath my desk as usual. I do apologize, you guys. It is a hot mess over here sometimes. Alright, so it's came packaged just like this. I see some really good stuff in here that I already think I'm going to absolutely love. Okay. The first thing I'm going to pull out is going to be the palette. This is the 35R Ready, Set, Go palette. And let's see, it says it's 35 shades, which I believe is a typical full-size palette for Morphe. Ow, Bentley, that is my foot, not your chew toy. Okay, so it's the typical Morphe packaging. And then let's open it up. Oh, okay. So it does have this little plastic sheet over it with the shade names, which, not gonna lie, I always lose. I never can keep track of those things. Okay, so this is not too terribly bad. It's definitely a very neutral, warm tone palette, but it's got a good assortment of shimmers and a good assortment of matte shades, it looks like. Most of the palettes actually that I have are colored, like lots of bright colors. I actually do not have one that is just a very neutral brown shade palette. So I am excited to try this. I do like Morphe's formula most of the time. Sometimes it can be a little inconsistent sometimes. But for the most part, I actually do really like them. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that one's pretty too. Okay. Alright, so there's a few of the shimmer shades. That is actually really pretty, and they're really pigmented. I really like those. Alright, I will swatch a few of the brown shades now. Alright, for the brown shades, oh my gosh. The matte shades. Get it together, Jen. Alright, so some of the mattes feel like they might be a little bit on the powdery side. But honestly, I'll just have to use them and see how they work, because I'm just really not good at swatches either, so it could just be me. Alright, so that was the first thing in there. The next thing is these are the Morphe Premium Lashes in the style Posh. These are actually super pretty. I normally end up giving most of the lashes I get in my subscription boxes to my daughter because she loves them. But I do really like these styles. This style. It looks very, very nice. And I might actually have to keep these ones. Yeah, definitely gonna have to keep those ones. Alright, the next thing that we have is this is the Blushing Babes Pop of Pink Blush Trio. So I have never tried any of Morphe's brushes at all, actually. Or blushes, not brushes. Alright, so you open it up. You got your mirror right here. And then these are your shades here. They don't look ooh. Oh, they're soft. They're super, super soft. Okay, so that's what they look like on my finger. They're not showing up too terribly bad. Okay, so that's what they look like. Let's see how buildable they are. Alright, so these two shades right here, this one and this one, are definitely buildable. And then, you know, you probably could mix them together too, so, and get a nice blush shade that way as well. So I will definitely give this a try. The next thing that we have is 3 brushes, which we all know I absolutely love brushes. Do I need any more? Probably not. But I'm addicted to makeup brushes, and I just have to have all of them. So, plus, the more I have, the less often I actually have to clean my brushes, because I hate cleaning them. Alright, so this is the Morphe, oh goodness gracious. I have no idea what that is. Is it the R34 brush? So it's just a blending brush. It's super soft, actually. That is really soft, so I will definitely try that. I do like Morphe's brushes. I have several of them, and I do actually really like them. This one did not want to open. Okay. So, and then there's this one, which is a more tapered blending brush, and this is the R39 brush. And then the last brush is, I believe this is, I do not want to open, a contouring brush. Yes, it is. Okay. And so this is the R14 contour brush. It's super soft, actually. It is very, very, very soft. And these type of brushes are really good to get like right here in your cheek area when you're contouring. So I am super excited to have this. I will definitely use that. The next thing we have is the Morphe lipstick. And this is in the shade Morphe. Okay. I guess it's just new. Okay. All right. Ooh, that's kind of cool packaging. I like that. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And it's got the M on the top of it. And that is the shade, which is super pretty. Again, it's a, ooh, very pretty, but not very creamy at all, actually. Okay. So it's coming up, it's looking like a brighter red on the camera than what it is. It is actually more of a darker red. The color is nice, the pigment is good. It just didn't feel super creamy like you would expect a good lipstick to feel like. Alright, and this is the lip crayon in the shade Lilas, and it looks like that, which is actually a very pretty mauve color. Ooh, I do like that. And that is super creamy. So that's the shade right there. This is very, very, very creamy and feels very nice going on. I like this. All right. The last thing is, this is a lip gloss in the shade Froze? Oh, I don't know. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's the packaging. That's pretty. I love the packaging. So it feels like a fairly sheer lip gloss, but it's got some pretty sparkles in it. All right, so that's, hopefully that shows up. All right, it's got very pretty sparkles in it though. All right, it does feel a little sticky, but that might go away after you have it on for a little bit. Okay, so that is everything that I got in my Morphe mystery box. So all in all, actually, it's not too bad. It is not too bad at all. I do really love these brushes. The blush palette, I am actually excited to give it a try. I have been on the lookout for a good blush palette now for a while, and I just kind of keep striking out. So, and then the red lipstick is beautiful, of course. I love the brushes and the palette. So let me know what you think down in the comments, and let me know if this is something that Morphe always has and I just didn't know, or if it was just like a holiday thing. So thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.